If you are a complete beginner to affiliate marketing and you have no prior experience, no knowledge of building a website, and you have no money to invest, then this video is for you because I will give you the exact template myself and many of my students have used to generate their first commissions online with affiliate marketing. And so you know, this method works worldwide. Regardless of your country, you can get started today right after watching this video. So the platform we are going to be using to make money today is Fiverr.com. And no, we are not going to be offering any services on this platform because for those who don't know, Fiverr is a platform where you can come over to find freelancers to complete tasks for you. And these tasks can include programming, graphics related tasks, digital marketing, writing and transcribing, and all that. So basically you can come over to this website and you can hire people to get tasks done for you. So like I said, we are not going to be offering any services on this platform. Rather, we are going to be partnering with Fiverr and we are going to be promoting some of their products and start making money. So this means all you simply need to do is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page and you are going to see this section that says affiliates. So you want to click on affiliates. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, join the Fiverr affiliate program and start earning money by recommending world-class freelance talent. So what this means is if you scroll down here, you can start promoting gigs on the Fiverr marketplace and you can start making money. You can also promote pro services, logo maker service as well. So all you simply need to do once you come over here is to click on join now. And if you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, these are just basic information you need to answer here and your account is going to get created right away. And once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And this is where you are going to see various sections which you can use to get more information about Fiverr affiliates. And now if you are a beginner or if you are new to this platform, you want to simply come over to where it says commission plan. So once you do that, it's going to show you all the various plans available on Fiverr affiliate and how you can make money with this platform. So if you come over to this one that says Fiverr CPA Oat Plan, as you can see, this is going to show you how much you are going to make when you promote any product from any of these categories. So if you promote a 3D model related gig on Fiverr, you're going to get $50 for anyone you refer to purchase any gig under this category. So now if you scroll down, you are going to see all categories are not the same as some pay higher than others. So if you take social media marketing as an example, as you can see, for every gig we promote under this category, we get paid $25. And this means it will come over to the Fiverr platform itself. And if I go over to the digital marketing section, you can see we have social media marketing right here. So if I click on this social media marketing, and if we promote any gig from this page, we are going to get $25. So let's say I'm taking this Fiverr gig here as an example, which says I will set up, manage your Facebook ads and Instagram ads for you to generate leads and sales. And as you can see, it has 3 orders in queue. We are going to get $25. And as you can see, if people come over and purchase this gig for $5, we are still going to get paid $25. And this is because this gig is under the social media category. Okay, so all we simply need to do from here is to make sure that this gig has a good review and good rating. As you can see, 4.9, and this gig currently has orders. All right, so all we simply need to do from here is to copy this Fiverr gig link. So once you copy the link, you then want to come over to the marketing tools section and you want to click on default and deep links. All I simply need to do is to click on deep link and you want to paste in that Fiverr link here and you want to click on save. So because I want to go with this Fiverr plan, all I just simply need to do is to copy this link. So once I copy the link, then the next thing, of course, we want to start looking for businesses that we want to target to make money promoting this Fiverr gig. And I highly recommend to target businesses from tier 1 countries, as these countries tend to have higher disposable income to spend purchasing products online. Okay, so now you want to come over here and you can type in any niche of your choice. So for me, I am going to select James in London. And if you do that, you are going to see a lot of sponsored ads already, but you don't want to go with any of these ads because these people are already spending money. So there's no need for us to bother them at all. So you want to basically scroll down to the very bottom of the page and you want to go for profiles in second, third, fourth, and fifth page. As usually, these pages are not getting a lot of views and they are most likely not making a lot of money with their product as well. All right. So you want to select any of these businesses. So if I come over and I take this website here as an example, as you can see, the nerd.com gym. All you simply need to do is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page where you are going to get their email address. So as you can see, this is the email address of this website. And what we are simply going to be doing is to recommend this Fiverr gig to them so that they can use it to scale their online businesses, get more leads and get more sales, which is a win-win situation because this website is going to be making money. This Fiverr seller is also going to make money as well. And we will also get our affiliate commission as well. So like I said, you want to repeat this process and you want to gather at least 10 to 20 emails from different websites. All right. So once you do that, like I said, I'm going to give you a template which you are going to be using to send out emails to this website and you'll be making money in passive income. And before we continue, you need to know you can use regular email providers like Gmail, Hotmail, or Yahoo Mail because most likely your email is going to end up in the spam folder and these businesses will never get the chance to read this email, which means you are not going to make any money. So I highly recommend to use Build-A-Raw email marketing tool to send out these emails to these businesses so that it gets into their inbox and they get to see the email. So all you simply need to do is to click on the link in the description, which is then going to bring you to this page and you can have access to a 14 days free trial. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And all you simply need to do is to come over to tools and you want to click on mailing boss. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page and you want to click on this section that says create an email. So once you come over to this page, you want to give this email a name. So for me, I'm going to be typing in Facebook Ads Leads. You want to then scroll down here and you want to select this campaign. So once you select this campaign, this is where you then want to type in the heading for the email. And here you want to then paste in the template. You can see I have provided a template you can use right here. And now the final thing you want to do is to go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. And like I said, you want to copy the link. So once you copy the link, all you simply need to do is to highlight any section of this email. So once you highlight this, as you can see, this link section. So this is where you want to then paste in your Fiverr affiliate link. So you want to place this in multiple sections of this email. It's going to bring them to this Fiverr gig. And if they purchase this Fiverr gig, you are going to make $25. So I highly recommend to reach out to at least 20 people every single day. And I can assure you, some of them would definitely purchase this Fiverr gig and you'll be making money in passive income. And if you enjoyed this video, then I highly recommend to check out the video above the screen right now, as this is the next video you should watch if you're serious about making money with affiliate marketing.